2007 Big Dog Mastiff. Price, $11,000. Mileage, 7,800 miles. Location, West Milton, Ohio. A 2007 Big Dog Mastiff in exceptional condition, featuring a 117 SNS engine paired with a Baker 6-speed transmission. Recent upgrades include brand new front and rear tires, a new clutch, starter button, battery, and all fresh fluids, ensuring it's ready to ride. The bike comes with a stylish alligator seat and matching passenger pad, combining comfort with aggressive chopper aesthetics. With only 7,800 miles, it's practically like new and ideal for riders looking for a powerful, eye-catching custom motorcycle in West Milton, Ohio. 2010 Can-Am Spyder RSS SE5. Price, $9,500. Mileage, 13,854 miles. Location, Charlotte, North Carolina. Up for grabs is a 2010 Can-Am Spyder RSS SE5, a unique three-wheeled ride that turns heads everywhere. Finished in off-white and meticulously garage-kept by its one owner, this Spyder blends comfort and stability with sporty performance. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it's easy to handle yet thrilling on the open road. With 13,854 miles, this Spyder is well-maintained and ready to deliver a standout riding experience in Charlotte, North Carolina. 2003 Big Dog Mastiff. Price, $9,800. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Location, Hamilton, Ohio. Here's a 2003 Big Dog Mastiff with just 5,000 miles, offering a thrilling ride and classic chopper style. This bike is a real head-turner, featuring the signature Big Dog aggressive stance and smooth handling that makes it a blast on the road. 2006 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, mint condition. Price, $5,750. Mileage, 20,813 miles. Location, Castle Hayne, North Carolina. Up for sale is a 2006 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy in mint condition, a true icon of American cruising. Painted in bold red and loaded with custom parts and enhancements, this Fat Boy is designed to stand out from the crowd. With 20,813 miles on the odometer, it has been meticulously cared for, combining classic Harley reliability with modern custom touches that elevate both style and performance. The bike features manual transmission for that authentic Harley riding experience, a beefy frame, and the signature Fat Boy stance that exudes confidence on the road. From the gleaming paint to the polished chrome details, every inch reflects careful attention and love for the machine. Whether you're carving through city streets or cruising highways, this Fat Boy delivers a smooth, powerful ride with unmistakable Harley-Davidson rumble. 2008 Big Dog Ridgeback price, $8,500 mileage, 5,300 miles location, Gulfport, Mississippi. Here's a 2008 Big Dog Ridgeback that's nearly flawless and built to impress. With only 5,300 miles, this bike is powered by a 117 cu engine paired with a 6-speed transmission, delivering smooth, commanding performance every time you hit the throttle. This Ridgeback comes fully equipped with a trickle charger, single seat, and spare pegs, ensuring convenience and readiness for any ride. It features several brand new chrome pieces and a fresh front tire, making it not only mechanically reliable but visually striking. Every component works as it should, making this a perfect choice for anyone seeking a well-maintained, eye-catching custom ride. 2002 Honda Shadow. Price, $6,000. Mileage, 15,000 miles. Location, Richmond Hill, Georgia.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Here's a 2002 Honda Shadow, a beautifully maintained cruiser with 15,000 miles and a manual transmission. Sporting a classic white exterior, this bike delivers a smooth and reliable ride, perfect for both city streets and long highway journeys. The seller notes how much they love this bike, emphasizing it's been well cared for over 2 owners, showing its quality and attention to maintenance. This Honda Shadow combines timeless style, dependable performance, and the iconic cruiser feel, making it a standout choice for riders who appreciate both comfort and character. 2004 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Price, $5,650. Mileage, 16,247 miles. Location, Frankfort, Kentucky. Up for sale is a 2004 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy featuring a striking patriotic paint scheme inspired by the American flag. With low mileage and a manual transmission, this iconic cruiser rides smoothly, handles confidently, and runs reliably. Perfect for riders who want a combination of classic Harley style, attention-grabbing design, and dependable performance. 1996 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Price, $1, trade preferred. Mileage, 3,000 miles. Location, Roanoke, Virginia. Up for trade is a 1996 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail in orange with manual transmission. Powered by an 80-inch Evo engine, this bike has been well maintained and has had only 2 owners. The seller is looking for a street glide or road glide in exchange. Available at Kia Strong, Roanoke, Virginia, listed by KMJ King. Kawasaki KDX 200, 1997, 2-stroke. Price, $2,000, asking. Location, Castle Rock, Colorado. Up for grabs is a 1997 Kawasaki KDX 200 2-stroke, a legendary off-road machine known for its amazing reliability and punchy torque. This bike starts effortlessly, just 2 kicks when cold and instantly when warm, making it a thrill for trail rides or casual off-roading. Perfect for anyone seeking a fun, dependable 2-stroke, this KDX 200 has been well maintained and runs smoothly. The seller is parting with it due to a move to California, so it's a rare chance to snag a classic, ready-to-ride dirt bike in great shape. 2017 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim S. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 22,000 miles. Location, Pennington, New Jersey. For sale is a 2017 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim S, a Screamin' Eagle edition built for performance and style. This bike comes with new handlebars and a Knockworks fender, giving it a fresh custom look. Well maintained and ready to ride, it's perfect for riders seeking powerful performance with classic Harley-Davidson appeal. The black finish adds a sleek, aggressive touch, making it a standout on the road. 1985 Harley-Davidson Softail FXST. Price, $4,500. Location, Dunkirk, Maryland.
1985 Harley-Davidson FXST. Second year for the Evolution motor. Last year for the kickstart. It's cold. It's cold right now. So I'll have to use the choke. It's got a brand new S&S carburetor and carb cover. It has a brand new starter, brand new battery.
Here's a classic 1985 Harley-Davidson Softail FXST, featuring both kickstart and electric start, a hallmark of Harley's final year for kickstarts. Powered by the Evolution motor, this bike has been refreshed with a new starter, battery, solenoid, starter relay, and clutch cable, plus all fluids have been drained and replaced for peak performance. The S&S carburetor and carb cover ensures smooth throttle response and reliability. 1992 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Price, $7,500. Mileage, 11,000 miles. Location, Little Falls, New Jersey. A 1992 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy in like-new condition, professionally customized for both style and performance. This bike features custom wheels, an extra seat, and a 1,340 cubic centimeters engine that delivers the iconic Harley power. Only 2 owners and 11,000 miles make it a rare find for collectors or riders seeking a classic Fat Boy that turns heads wherever it goes. 1978 Harley-Davidson FXE Lowrider Shovelhead. Price, $4,500. Mileage, 7,500 miles. Location, Hamilton, Ohio.
This is after the bike is sat for about a week or 2 weeks. Extremely cold. I haven't even pumped gas yet. Just turned the fuel on, so we'll give it a pump. Some choke. It's got electric and kick. Kick works fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and use electric just for this.
Up for sale is a classic 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead Lowrider, finished in sleek black. This bike has 7,500 miles and a manual transmission, offering an authentic vintage Harley experience. The seller is motivated with a recent price drop to make a quick sale. Perfect for collectors or riders who love a retro custom Harley with character and history. 1955 Harley-Davidson Panhead. Price, $12,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This 1955 Panhead is a fully custom-built masterpiece, finished in classic green. It has only 300 miles and features a manual transmission. Every component is meticulously crafted, and the bike is titled as an 8396 CI Panhead. a rare opportunity for collectors or riders seeking a one-of-a-kind vintage Harley with striking custom details. Available in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.